Hi there. I hope everybody is coping, whatever part of the world that you're in. It's April 17th, 2023, and another message came in at 12:32 p.m. And good morning, Ash. A short visit to the kingdom this morning at 8:35. The archangels and angels are entering a new phase of assisting humanity. Now it is all about helping the people to remember the Creator, and that they are the creation and the children of the Creator. Christ is walking the earth to remind God's children of this. Ezekiel told me to tell you, Ash, his return is on track. The timing will be determined within the flow of the river of life, which is the space travelled by each one of us as we swim toward a fixed point on the opposite side of the river. Our visions and our dreams. It will be perfect timing. As the pendulum has now swung back towards the Creator, humanity will not be able to avoid the discomfort of what that brings up within themselves and how they have been living. It will become chaotic quite quickly as programs and conditioning become obvious and collapse from within and then all around them. Once again, Ezekiel reminds me that we are protected. He did say to support our health as much as possible in order to support our biology through this period of time. The healthier we are, the better we are able to withstand the energetic chaos, physically and mentally. Be in love and joy. Trust that the Father has it all in hand. That's it. It's a short one. Love to all of you. And be at peace.